Hi, I'm Chris Tigert here at Mid-America Trucking Show 2024, and I'm excited to talk to you about this TRP Air Spring. Our TRP Air Springs stand out from the competition due to our unique fabric material. A 50 psi higher burst rating ensures they can withstand extreme pressure, resulting in unmatched performance and safety. The vulcanized material is specially formulated to resist ozone effects, resulting in longevity and durability. The optimized wall thickness also makes these both durable and light, making them suitable for all trailer and truck applications. Our TRP Air Springs, like all TRP products, have been rigorously tested for reliability and safety. The natural rubber blend and thick nylon yarn reinforcement allow for this part to have maximum durability and flexibility. With 3 layers of corrosion material and antioxidation material, these Air Springs are built to last. Produced in North America and backed by a 2-year warranty, these TRP Air Springs are built to last and are a cost-effective choice. For more trusted, reliable, and proven parts, find us at trpparts.com and follow us on social media.